Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa Opulence Global. My name is Rico Kilao and I will be your presenter for this evening. Maraming salamat po for tuning in and for taking the time to see this opportunity overview. And we do hope by the end of this presentation, makapagbahagi po kami ng informasyon, edukasyon at solusyon kung paano ho tayo magkakaroon ng mas maayos at mas masaganang pamumuhay. Ayan, yan ho yung ating tatalakayin ngayon because here in Opulence Global, our mission is to help people achieve health and financial wellness. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today because I know that this itong dadating na few days before the end of this year. Napaka-crucial ho niya, no? Para ho ma-determine natin kung ano ba yung magiging takbo ng ating pamumuhay sa dadating na 2025. Naku, malapit na ho yan, ha? So, ayan. So, simulan na po natin. And of course, as mentioned earlier, there are two things that we will be sharing with you today. First and foremost is the importance of good health. Yan ho yung ating tatalakayin. Pangalawa is the importance of how we can live our life better. Ayan ha, kung gusto nyo hong umunlad ang inyong pamumuhay, that's the second part of our presentation. So simulan na po natin of course by sharing with you some alarming statistics, no? Because nowadays, as I have said earlier, na napakahalaga ho ng issue ng kalusugan sa ating buhay. Imagine there are 18 million cases of cancer that were diagnosed in 2020. Abay, parami ho ng parami ang nagkakaroon ho ng problema at concern pagdating ho sa tinatawag nating the big C. No, napakarami ho niyan, 18 million cases noong 2020. And I'm sure this 2024 lalo pa hong nadadagdagan 'yan. And on top of that, no, yung diabetes, it continues to soar from 529 million. An astounding, no, napakataas, 529 million. At sabi ho ng mga experts, pag hindi daw ho natin pinangalagaan ang ating kalusugan, maaari pa daw hong tumaas yan ng 1.3 billion by 2050. Aba, napakarami naman talaga niyan, ano? And over 40% of the global population currently suffer from some kind of neurological condition, especially among sa mga teens natin, ano, sa mga kabataan ho natin ngayon, naririnig ho natin parami ho ng parami ang mga nagkakaroon ng problema sa kanilang mental health. And like anxiety and depression. And again, no, talagang isa ho yan sa nakakaalarmang statistic. And on top of that, more than 500 million people around the world continue to be affected by cardiovascular diseases. As a matter of fact, nakikita ho natin dito sa ating top 10 causes of death in the Philippines, nangunguna ho yan, no, pagdating ho sa mga problemang puso. Ayan. Hindi yung mga heartbroken, ha. Ito talaga ho yung mga physical heart ho natin. Imagine 20.5 million deaths noong 2021. Now, these are something that is very alarming and as I've mentioned, no, kung hindi ho natin pangangalagaan ang ating kalusugan, maaring mapabilang ho tayo sa mga statistic na yan. And the purpose for this call is for us, no, to share with you some information on how we can prevent yung pagkakaroon ng iba't ibang klasing mga sakit para mapangalagaan ho natin yung ating kalusugan. And on top of that, today's reality, how many of you or people that you know ang naapektuhan ho ng kawalan ng trabaho, especially right now with the onset of AI, parami ho ng parami, no? Ang nate-threaten, nawawala ng trabaho because nga automation na ho ngayon eh, 'di ba? So natural disasters, katulad na lang ho na nangyari nung bagyo marami hong kabuhayan ang naapektuhan ho diyan. Katulad nung nangyari ho ng pandemic, di ba? Health outbreaks, pinatigil niya ho yung takbo ng mundo, yung lockdowns. And on top of that, yung inflation. Inflation seems to be the culprit kung bakit ho maraming mga taong naghihirap ngayon. Ibig sabihin ho niyan, pababa ng pababa yung halaga ng pera, pero yung presyo ng mga pangunahing bilihin patuloy hong tumataas. Yun hong 1,000 mo dati na ang dami-dami mong nabibili ngayon sa panahon ho ngayon. Isang kainan mo lang yan, ubos na, di ba? So that's the reason why a lot of people nowadays is hindi na po nakakaipon, much worse, nalulubog pa ho sa utang. So these are some of the problems, challenges that we are facing today. But the good news is, ito po yung pag-uusapan natin, yung solusyon na pinoprovide ho ni Opulence Global. And si Opulence Global is a proudly Canadian international company which was established in 2005. So basically, we are already more than 19 years in the international market. Very solid, financially stable, debt-free company with business in more than 200 countries and territories. And later on, no, isi-share ho namin sa inyo itong ating livelihood opportunity. But one of the most important things is yung credibility ho ng company. Maganda ho dyan is meron ho siyang accreditation sa Better Business Bureau. Now, yung BBB na yan ho yung nag-evaluate ng mga business ethics, business practices. So, pag napabilang ka dyan, ibig sabihin, katiwa-tiwala, no? Hindi ka lolokohin ng company na yan. Meron ho silang maayos na pamamalakad sa kanilang negosyo. And the reason for that is because we are being led by our founder and CEO, si Mr. Ramin Mesgarlo. At ito hong ating founder and CEO ay meron na ho siyang malawak na karanasan sa pagpapalago ng negosyo. As a matter of fact, he was able to establish and build five multi-million dollar businesses. So imagine that, no? So kumbaga, we're in good hands, no? With the leadership, with the strength ng ating founder and CEO, si Mr. Ramin Mesgarlo. So first topic that we're going to share with you is our advocacy. We call this the Safe Home Revolution. And what this means is we want to protect you and your loved ones by removing all the harmful ingredients from the product we use every day. So sisimulan ho natin sa usapang kalusugan because of course, no, kung wala ho yung magandang kalusugan, hindi rin ho natin may enjoy yung mga magagandang bagay sa ating buhay, di ba? So that is why we should give utmost priority, utmost importance when it comes to our health. Because eto ho, no, bakit ba tayo nagkakasakit? Okay? Yan ang tanong 'di ba? Bakit ba tayo nagkakasakit? You know, one of the main reasons why we get sick is because of the destructive effects ng free radicals that cause oxidative stress. So yung free radicals, all of us have that. And these are the unpaired and stable electrons inside our bodies na ginagambala niya yung ating mga healthy cells. Much more, siguro ang tamang term dyan is inaatake niya yung ating mga healthy cells. And over a period of time, yung healthy cells ho natin, pag inatake ng free radicals, it causes oxidative stress at yung ating healthy cells nagiging sick cell at pag dumami ho yan, dyan ho nagsisimula yung pagkasira, pagka-damage ng ating mga organs. So pag nagkaroon ho ng problema sa sistema ng ating katawan, talagang nahihirapan ho siya na mag-function ng maayos and therefore, no, ang nangyayari ho is dyan po tayo nagsisimulang magkasakit, no? And the sad reality is these free radicals are everywhere. Every time we wake up in the morning, pagkagising mo sa umaga, na-expose na ho tayo dyan on a daily basis. Patuloy yung dumadami. Yung pag-atake ng free radicals sa ating katawan, especially if you're taking mga medications, na-expose ho tayo sa cigarette smoke, nako, eto, stress, nako. Parang parte na ho yata ng buhay natin yan, no? Exposure sa viruses and bacteria, electromagnetic forces, yung wifi na hindi natin nakikita, nakaka-apekto pala yan, no? Sa pagkasira ng ating kalusugan. Yung paggamit ho natin ng mga household chemicals, katulad ho ng mga detergent, soap, shampoo, lotion. Nako, all of these things contains harsh ingredients, mga chemicals that can cause damage to our bodies. Alcohol, excessive exercise, mold, radiation na nanggagaling ho sa ating mga gadgets. And we are now living in an era where nowadays, hindi na ho tayo nawawalay sa ating mga gadgets, di ba? Lagi ho nating dala-dala yan. So, yan ho yung problema every day of our lives. Ibig sabihin, parami ng parami yung free radicals. Lalo't lalo na, dala-dala mo yung cellphone mo palagi, di ba? And then yung exposure ho natin sa pollution na nanggagaling sa air, water, and food. And these are the three things that we cannot live without. Especially yung air, hindi naman pwedeng hindi kahihinga. Ang problema, polluted na. Yung water, nako, contaminated na. Yung pagkain ho natin. Lalong-lalo na yung tinatawag nating mga processed foods. So ito ho yung mga pagkain na, nalagyan na ng sangkaterbang mga chemicals, preservatives, additives, flavoring, seasonings. Ay nako. The food that we eat these days doesn't contain any significant amount of nutrients. Much more, yun pa, nakakasira pa sa ating kalusugan. Kino-compound pa ho yan ng kakulangan sa pahinga, kakulangan sa tulog. Napakahalaga ho ng adequate sleep, no? Especially itong travel ko. Nako, laging puyat, ano? And again, ako, tuwan-tuwa ho yung mga free radicals pagka ho, hindi ho tayo nakakakuha ng tamang tulog at tamang pahinga. Okay? So, toxins, UV rays. So, these are some of the things. No? Ang tawag ko nga ho dyan, yung mga bala na patuloy na umaatake sa atin araw-araw. Patuloy na sumisira sa ating mga healthy cells and over time, this oxidative damage, as it accumulates in our bodies, this contributes to aging. Yung pagtanda ng wala sa oras and a variety of degenerative diseases. Now, we want you to be aware of these things because these are happening every day. Okay? So, minsan, kailangan nating mas maging aware, no? Mas maging alert pagdating ho sa mga bagay na yan para mapangalagaan ho natin ang kalusugan. Now, paano ho ba natin yan malalabanan? So, we have a simple solution to this. We call this proper nutrition. No? Proper nutrition plays an important role when it comes to the preservation and protection of our health. And today, no, ano ho ba yung panlaban dyan sa mga free radicals na yan? Ito ho yung mga tinatawag nating antioxidants. So antioxidants, ito ho yung may kakayanan na labanan at kumbaga i-destroy yung effect ng ginagawa ng free radical sa ating katawan. Kaya nga ho tama lang na sinasabi ho sa atin na we have to eat more of the plant foods rather than animal products because itong ating mga antioxidants nanggagaling ho yan sa mga pagkain na mga tulad ng prutas, nuts, mga vegetables, plant foods. So this contains level of antioxidants na maganda ho na lumalaban sa mga free radicals and oxidative stress. And today we're going to share with you a powerful type of plant antioxidant known as lignans. Okay? So ako, first time ko lang ho narinig yan, lignans na yan. Napakahalaga pala niyan pagdating sa ating kalusugan because this lignans is a type of plant antioxidants that protects the body from free radicals and it helps fight against oxidative stress that leads into sickness. And much more. Dito ako na dito talaga ako naging curious eh. Meron pala mga lignans na nanggagaling ho sa punong kahoy. And yet, no, itong mga lignans na nanggagaling ho sa punong kahoy, mas mayaman pala to sa level of antioxidants. Not only that, meron din ho siyang antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory activity. Now, 30 years of studies have shown na yung mga tao daw ho na kumakain ng mga pagkain na mayaman at masustansya sa lignans, they experience, no, ito, 30% less cancer. So, simpleng solusyon lang ho pala. Kumain daw ho tayo ng lignans araw-araw. Malaking epekto daw ho pala yan para mapababa yung chances and risk of having cancer. Ano pa? 30% less risk of cardiovascular diseases. Aba, yun pala. Meron pala tayong protection na maaasahan dyan laban sa mga sakit sa puso. Nakakapagpababa daw din na ho ng cholesterol level. Also, it lowers PSA, which is a prostate cancer indicator. So in general, napakarami pa rin yung health benefits. Mamaya, malalaman nyo pa ho yung iba't ibang mga health benefits if you are regularly consuming lignans every day. Now, saan ho ba natin makukuha yung mga lignans na yan? Aba, marami ho. Maraming mga sources yan. On top of the list, yung flaxseed. Isa ho yan sa mga pinakamataas na andyan din ho yung sesame seed, multigrain bread, curly kale, broccoli, apricots, strawberry, olive oil, and green tea. Among the many other things, ito ho yung ilan sa mga pinakamataas na sources of lignans. But the question is, are we eating these foods every day? How much lignans do you eat? Yun ang tanong. Alam natin ngayon, but the sad reality of it is hindi ho natin nakakain yan araw-araw. Sabi ho ng mga experts, kailangan daw ho 50 to 100 milligrams daily ang nakokonsume ho nating lignans. And yet, based on a study in the US, we are only consuming 1 milligram. Imagine niyo ha, 1 milligram every day. Ang laki-laki ng kakulangan. And of course, no, kasi yung mga pagkain daw ho natin ngayon, yun nga, wala nang masyadong nutrients, no? Talagang ang iniisip na lang natin ngayon, magkalaman ng tiyan, tapos, 'di ba? Pero ito ho, ang solution ho natin, we call this the fountain of life. So it's a simple solution that you can do each and every single day. Just add 10 drops, no? 10 patak araw-araw, walang 2 segundo yung pagte-take mo niyan. And yet, with the 10 drops of this fountain of life, imagine, you can have more than 5,166 milligrams of this powerful antioxidant or lignans. So 17 times more powerful ho siya kaysa dyan sa flaxseed. So yung 10 patak ho na yan, ang ginagawa ho namin is we put it underneath our tongue. Now, what's amazing about this is that napakasimpleng gamitin and yet the amount of lignans that you can get from this 10 drops pag mineasure ho natin yung antioxidants sa 10 patak, is equivalent ho yan sa antioxidants na makukuha nyo from drinking 50 cups of green tea. Aba, sino ho ba sa inyo ang may kayong uminom ng 50 cups of green tea? Ang hirap ho niyan, ano? Or sa tomatoes naman, 100 cups. Sa lettuce, 510 cups. Dito talaga ako nawindang. Imagine, 10 drops is equivalent to 1,800 cups of apple. Ay, nako. Grabe, no? Subukan mo kayang kainin yung 1,800 cups of apple. Sa isang cup ka sa isang araw, aabutin ka ng kulang-kulang na 4 na taon bago mo maubos yan. Imagine that, no? Why would bakit mo pahihirapan pa yung sarili mo when you can just take 10 drops of this fountain of life? Wala pang 2 segundo and yet the amount of lignans that you can get from those 10 drops is equivalent to around 1,800 cups of apple. Ganun ho ka-powerful Now, ito hong ating lignans and ang pinanggagalingan ho niyan is galing sa isang puno. We call it the Norwegian spruce tree. And this is actually considered to be the superstar of all trees. And the studies have shown that this is the most potent and strongest lignans in the world. Imagine ha, pinakamabisa at pinakamalakas na uri ng lignans daw sa buong mundo nanggagaling daw ho sa Norwegian spruce tree. A closer look at this tree, no? Nakikita niyo sa picture para siyang Christmas tree, para siyang pine tree. Ito hong puno na to can live hundreds or even thousands of years. Actually, yung oldest documented na Norwegian spruce tree is 9,550 years old. Imagine, meron palang punong ganong katagal ang buhay, no? Almost 10,000 years. Ganyan ho katibay yan. No? Because unang-una, ito ho yung puno na hindi nagkakasakit. It can withstand oxidative stress. It can deal with invasive threats from microbes and insects. And evolution over time has provided these trees with very efficient chemical defense and preservation mechanisms na saan daw nanggagaling? Aba, yun pala yung kahalagahan ng lignans na yan. Meron siyang preservation mechanism. Okay? So that's why it's very, very important no, na lagi ho tayong nagno-nourish ng lignan sa ating katawan. Because tatlong bagay ho yung ginagawa niyan. Unang-una, antioxidant. Pinapalakas niya, pinoproteksyonan niya yung ating mga cells. Antimicrobial, nilalabanan niya yung mga microbes, germs, viruses na sumisira sa ating katawan. And on top of that, yung anti-inflammatory. Na napakahalaga ho niyan, especially sa panahon ho ngayon, karamihan ho ng mga sakit, nakamamatay na sakit, ang pinagmumulan ho niyan is chronic inflammation. So what we need is yung kumokontra dyan, yung tinatawag nating anti-inflammatory. Okay, so that's how powerful ha, yung pag-consume ho natin ng lignans araw-araw. And by the way, this is approved by Health Canada. And as you know, ang Health Canada ho kasi, yan ho yung pinakamahigpit when it comes to sanitation, safety, pagdating ho sa mga food and food supplements. So nakakaasa ka na totally safe and sanitized yung ating produkto. Wala hong ingredient na maaring magdulot ng masama sa ating kalusugan. Okay, that's how stringent yung Health Canada na yan. So, how do we use it? No, ito ho, at least no, you can start with 10 drops. Pero kung meron ka hong nararamdaman or there's something that needs to be addressed in your body, of course, mas mataas yung requirement mo for supplementation. So wala hong overdose yung ating product, but one uniqueness na nakita ko dito sa product is napakabilis ho ng bisa niya, fast acting. And the reason for that is unang-una, underneath the tongue, nakakonekta ho yung ating lymphatic system na yan sa ating bloodstream. So in less than an hour, mabilis ho siyang na-absorb, mabilis ho kumakalat sa ating buong katawan. And the reason for that as well is because napakataas nga ho ng source of antioxidants, yung content niya. So kaya ho dito meron ho tayong mga testimonials na in just a matter of minutes, walang exaggeration ho yun ha, time and again, meron ho silang nararamdaman. So you get all of the benefits of a lignan-rich diet in one simple regimen. You can take it any time of the day. Whether with meal or without meal, pwedeng-pwede ho yan. So listen to your body kung saan ho kayo mas magbe-benefit. Ano? Kung whether in the morning, whether in the afternoon, whether in the evening. And by the way, you can use it topically too. Yun ho yung maganda dyan. No? Pwede nyo hong ipahid, especially kung meron kayong mga inflammation, mga muscle pains, joint pains, yan, mga rashes. Ay nako, napakarami ho niyang mga benefits no? If you're continuously using it. Now, what are some of the benefits pagka nagte-take ho tayo ng mga high performance antioxidants such as the fountain of life? So internally, unang-una niyo hong ginagawa, it supports our immune system. So yun ho yung pinakamahalaga no na nagiging function niya, pinapangalagaan niya yung ating resistensya, the little doctors inside our body. At ang ating hong katawan kasi when it is strong, kapag ka humaayos, gumagana ng maayos yan, ang katawan ho kasi natin, perpektong ginawa ng Panginoon. It has the capacity to fight any diseases. It also has the capacity to heal itself. So ang kailangan lang ho natin is palakasin, pakainin ng tama itong ating katawan, ano? It also acts as anti-inflammatory, it protects heart health, protects prostate health, reduce breast cancer risk, decrease colon cancer risk, improves metabolism, promote weight loss, defend against dementia, improve sugar metabolism, control diabetes complications. Marami na ho tayong testimonials niyan. Reduce hot flashes, antimicrobial, and it also helps in DNA protection. And as I've mentioned earlier, no, when you use it topically, it can improve hair health. Nako, kung gusto niyo na mas magandang tubo ng buhok, ayan, pwede niyo hong ipahid yan sa inyong scalp. Nakakatulong din ho siyang mawala yung mga sunburns and blemishes, gum inflammation, nawala ho yung bleeding gums ko dyan. Other use it as a deodorant because of the antimicrobial properties. Hemorrhoids, mga almoranas, nako, pwede nyo rin hong i-apply yan dyan. Rashes and irritations, wounds and cuts, nail fungus and cuticles, muscle and joint pains. So a simple lifestyle change, just a simple 10 drops of this fountain of life every day, na wala pang 2 segundo, it can significantly increase the nourishment and protection na kailangan ho ng ating kalusugan. And I tell you, we have seen it unang-una sa sarili ko ho, sa pamilya ko, at sa iba pang mga tao na nasharean ho namin. Talagang sila na ho mismo nagsasabi, iba talaga yung product na yan. Iba talaga yung naramdaman ko since I started taking that product. Okay? So if I were you, lalong-lalo na kung bago pa ho kayo dito, kontakin nyo ho yung mga nag-invite sa inyo. Sabihin nyo, "Oy, bigyan mo nga ako ng unang 10 patako." Ha? Para maranasan ko rin yung sinasabi ng presenter na yan. Okay? So, and seriously speaking, no, let's not wait for illness to touch upon us. Huwag ho nating antayin na magkasakit muna tayo bago tayo magdesisyon na pangalagaan ho yung ating kalusugan. Ang pinaka-wise na gagawin ho natin, yung wala ka pang nararamdaman, pinoproteksyonan mo na, pinapalakas mo na yung resistensya mo para maiwasan mo yung mga sakit-sakit na yan. Dahil unang-una, napakahirap pong magkasakit. Pangalawa, napakamahal magkasakit. Lalong-lalo na ho yung healthcare natin ngayon na kay ikaw lahat ang maggagastos diyan, 'di ba? So make that decision, no? Invest in your health. That's the best decision an investment that you can start right now, no? Especially etong dadating na holiday season. Ano ho ba yung mga pinangreregalo natin? Mga material na bagay na kumukupas, no? Pero ito hong ating bakit ho hindi natin bigyan ng magandang impormasyon, magandang solusyon at magandang kalusugan yung ating mga mahal sa buhay, no? So, this is just a little bit of overview of why we are very passionate about this is because we have seen it time and again na itong paggamit ho ng mga lignans araw-araw, naku, napakalaki hong benepisyo niyan sa ating kalusugan. Okay? Alright, so marami pa ho at tayo actually products, no, hindi lang tayo about health, meron din ho tayong pampaganda, pampabeauty, anti-aging skincare system, meron din ho tayong toothpaste na totally safe sa mga bata. We also have our Posh Captive, Posh Sensual Body Wash, Shampoo and Conditioner, 3-in-1 ho yan. So hindi lang siya naglilinis ng ating buong katawan, but again, may level of protection and nourishment na nanggagaling ho sa mga powerful active ingredients. And then Fairy Sterling Hand and Body Moisturizer, another layer of protection as you go out. Meron ho siyang microsilver na lumalaban ho sa mga bacteria, microbes, germs, and even viruses. Nagha-hydrate din ho ng ating skin. And on top of that, sa mga mahilig ho mag-shopping dyan, doon ho sa ating online shop, makikita nyo ho dyan yung iba't ibang items such as bag, shoes, belt, eyewear, ay nako, marami ho yan. Thousands of products na hindi ho basta-basta yan, ha? Tinatangkilik ho ng more than 300 celebrity clients worldwide. So ibig sabihin talagang dekalidad at luxurious itong ating mga items in our online shop. Pati mga jewelries, nako, meron din ho dyan. Okay? So for those of you who are interested no, to try our products, it's available through our online shop. And just recently, nilaunch din ho natin itong pinaka biggest addition sa ating product line, itong Divine. Itong Divine is a supplement that supports your immune system. It fight against damage caused by free radicals. And it promotes healthy skin. Paano ba namang hindi talaga gaganda yung sistema ng katawan nyo? Meron ho siyang 6 na active ingredients na nagbibigay na naman ng additional layer of protection, additional layer of nourishment. Ito hong maritime pine bark extract, glutathione, which is the master antioxidant, grape seed extract. Nako, siguro naririnig nyo na ho yan. Ang dami hong mga health benefits niyan. Kasama na ho dyan ng zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Pag pumunta ho kayo sa mga health shops, lagi nyo hong makikita yung mga items na yan dahil nga ho sa benefits na idudulot niyan sa ating kalusugan. And why not take it in just one capsule? Yun ho yung maganda. At yung mga benefits ho niya, again, natutulungan din hong ma-regulate yung ating immune system. It supports liver and cell detoxification, which is very important, especially these days. Ha? It promotes gut health, supports respiratory function, aids in vision maintenance. It promotes diabetic health, improves absorption of other antioxidants, supports collagen formation, improves erectile dysfunction, boosts brain function and memory. It improves the skin and benefits the heart health. And again, no going back, a simple solution, just taking these powerful active ingredients that are found in our divine, in our fountain of life, and protection coming from our Safe Home Revolution products, ay naku, napakalaking benepisyo niyan pagdating sa ating kalusugan. Okay? So for those of you who are interested to purchase these products, again, available ho siya sa ating online shop. Pwede ho kayong sumangguni or mag-consult sa ating mga partners na nag-invite ho sa inyo, and they will be more than willing to assist you and help you try and use these products, no, para makita nyo ho mismo sa sarili ninyo yung effect nung sinasabi ho natin. Okay? Ang nakakatuwa ho dito is yung mga real results, real testimonials of people who have used our products. Naku, napakarami na ho. Kasi nga ho, unang-una, kaya kami passionate dito, naranasan na ho namin yan sa sarili namin eh. Ako personally, hindi naman ho ko sakitin na tao. Praise God for that. But alam nyo ho, yung may mga minor kayong nararamdaman, like instance, may frozen shoulder, aba, nawala ho dyan yung aking frozen shoulder. Naging maganda ho yung aking bowel movement. Dati ho akong constipated. Now, ang nangyayari ho is 2 to 3 times a day na ho ako naglalabas ng sama ng loob. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin talagang gumagaan yung pakiramdam mo. Hindi mabigat. Tapos, tumataas yung stamina mo, yung energy level mo. Okay? Hindi ka madaling magkasakit. So, yun ho yung maganda dyan. And since we started sharing it with other people, nako, ang sarap hong makita na yung mga nasisharean ho natin is nagpapasalamat sa iyo, nakikita mo yung kaibahan. Sa itsura na lang makikita mo 'di ba? Yung dating mukhang stress, dating mukhang pagod, laging sakitin, ngayon kita mo talaga nag-glow. Aba, talagang nakakatuwa ho kapag nakikita ho natin 'yan. Katulad ho nitong lady from Australia, imagine 90 days fine lines and wrinkles almost gone. Gusto niyo ba ng ganon? Instant banat, instant bata, 11 months weight loss, applying it topically, no? 7 days eczema. Ang laki ho ng improvement niyan. Improvement sa hair health within 90 days. Ayan. And then even skin tone. Ayan. So suggestion ko ho sa inyo, bago ho kayo mag-try ng product, magpa-picture muna kayo. And then after a period of time, whether 1 week, 2 weeks, or even a month, makikita nyo ho yung difference niyan. Talagang magmumukha ho kayong bata. Ayan. Dahil ganyan ho yun Kapag maganda ho yung loob ng ating katawan, lumalabas ho yan. And then eto, alopecia, which is an incurable disease. Nakakatuwa ho yung story nito kasi marami na ho siyang nasubukan, pagkamamahal pa, wala namang nangyari. So, nung na-share ho sa kanya yung Fountain of Life, aba, itinanggihan na niya. Sabi niya, naku, ang dami ko nang nasubukan, wala namang kwenta. Buti na lang, itong ating Fountain of Life, nagko-cover ho siya ng 90-day money-back guarantee. So, nung narinig niya yun, aba, sabi niya, aba, nating tulos pala yan. Di pag hindi ako nag-benefit dyan, pwede ko ibalik. Win-win, di ba? Wala kang talo doon. So true enough, sinimulan niyang gamitin yung product within 60 days. Imagine, nakita niyo sa picture ngayon yung improvement. Okay? So, ang key ho dyan is kayo mismo subukan ho ninyo para makita niyo mismo yung epekto niyan kung gaano ho yan kaganda sa inyong kalusugan.